morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michael Shepard Jordan. Thanks for coming on this hike with me. Today, I am at Buford State Forest in southern Missouri. I'm gonna do about 9.5 miles today. I'm pretty sure this is Missouri's second highest point, according to the internet. So, should be a good one. Should get some good views. First official hike of 2021. Excited, hope you all had a good new year, good holiday season. Do me a solid, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. And yeah, let's go on a hike, y'all. Whew! Nothing like a good climb to get your morning started. That was about a mile uphill. And it was rocky, as I'm sure you saw. So yeah, get to it. Okay, I'm about a mile in, like I just said. And I came up on these two flags, this pink and this blue flag. Looking at all trails, looks like if you follow this blue flag, it'll take you to Buford Mountain, the top of it. So I'm gonna go down there and check it out. But the actual trail goes straight and continues on before it makes a big loop back around and coming this way. So I'm in this rock clearing about a half a mile down the trail, the blue markers. I'm starting to think that it's either a new trail that they're blazing or it's a service trail, because it doesn't really lead to any point of interest. This is the one that I found. I kind of saw this off the trail and kind of jutted over to this little clearing. But it's not like a lookout or anything like that, but it's still cool. So I don't know, if you know what it is, if you've been up here before, let me know in the comments. Other than that, it's starting to go back downhill on the other side. So I'm gonna head back to the normal trail and go from there. Pretty cool little spot right off the trail. Big rock face. Got a little spot for a campfire. Okay, looks like I'm coming up to the split. Now, I read online that counterclockwise is the way to go to get the better views. So that's which way I'm gonna go. So I'm 5.3 miles in. Trail gets a little sketchy at points. I basically just walked up a dry creek bed. But found another trail marker sign. So I'm in the right spot. It just kind of vanishes a little bit. Tell you what. On a Wednesday in the morning, I'm alone out here. Bald Knob. Biggest point of interest on this hike. So this is why you hike this trail. This is pretty great. I'm at about 1,500 feet. Not the highest point of the hike. This is by far the most interesting spot. And you can camp up here, which is pretty great. Couple different campsites. Not a bad spot to camp. I'm not back to my car yet, but this is a prettier spot to talk about this trail, and the rest of the way back is pretty boring. You saw it. So, Buford Mountain and Bald Knob Trail, what do we think? Bald Knob is definitely the highlight of the trail, and the person that I read on the internet that said it was the scenic way to go to the right, I think what they meant was it's the long way to get to Bald Knob. You could probably go from the parking lot up to Bald Knob straight there if you go left, and that's probably only like a 3-ish mile hike. But if you go to the right, you walk all around and it turns into a 9-mile hike. Right now I'm at 9.6. It'll probably be about 10.5 or 11 by the time I get down to the car. So counting the little excursion I did off to Buford Mountain. But overall, pretty nice little trail. I mean, the trail from the parking lot to Bald Knob is wide enough that you could take a 4-wheeler up there, and people clearly have, because I've seen tracks pretty much the whole way. But you can, once you go to the right at the split, it's too narrow for 4-wheelers. You got to hike that. But yeah, overall, pretty solid little trail. It's a great camping spot. I can't imagine there would be a lot of people up there. You get a great view. I'm sure the stars are pretty good out here. Be a good spot. If you want to check out the gear that I'm using to film these videos, there are links in the description below. They're all affiliate links. They help me out. They don't cost you a thing. So if you want to check out what I'm using, go down there, buy something. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch me hike more Missouri trails, please just hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up as well. And yeah, where should I hike next? Leave me a comment and tell me where I should hike in Missouri. Until then, see you guys at the next trail.